augment her chin a little bit, work on some fine lines around the mouth, and put just a little teeny bit in her lip just to give her a little bit of youthful lip look, but not anything fancy. So, we're going to get started. Yes. Just a little half syringe of Juvederm. Yeah. Ask questions, please ask questions. All right. So I'm going to start with her chin. We're just going to bring her chin forward a little bit, give her a little bit of structure here. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then you just wanted these products, right? Not these treatments? Okay. Okay. So total for everything today is 60.
Oh, okay. Really the reason why we're doing her chin is just to balance out her face a little bit. Ideally, this distance, and this distance are equal. And so we're just a little short here. So we're not trying to give her Jane Nose chin or anything wild like that. We're just trying to give her a little structure here. It helps with this neckline, which we all care about. And it just helps when I start working on some of these areas. If we've got her supported here, we can use less filler up here. And it's just prettier.
I can't feel it.
Perfect. She said she can feel it, so that's awesome. That's what we want.
No, it'll be. I'm waiting for the door. Huh? Yeah, just mark there.
Okay, I'll take Ultra Plus next. So now that we've done that, we've kind of got the foundation set. I'm going to come back and I'm going to work on some of her fine lines here. And you can see where she's lost some volume right here. So we're going to try to correct that and give her something like that.
What product are you using?
So for the chin, we call it the lima bone in a syringe. And so I was putting that really deep. I wanted something hardy and hefty. And so that's what I was doing at first. Now I'm doing something that's not quite as hefty because when she moves her face, I want it to move naturally. So we're using Juvederm Ultra Plus.
Okay. So it's going to be 168.58 that's ready for your chart. Awesome. We've had really good results.
I've got two of these, right? Yes.
This is the last of that syringe.
Relax.
Sorry, I can't smile.
I want you to smile at me. Smile again. Relax. And again. And relax. That's into that. That's right. Okay, so I'm going to sit up and let you see from one side to the next what we've done. So this corner is elevated a little bit. This is filled in right here. Smile big at them. And we've just decreased some of those smile lines a bit. It will take about a week for it to fully work its magic. Just straighten subtle lines.
And I didn't feel it. I didn't feel it at all. I didn't feel it.
She has had some topical numbing.
It didn't hurt at all.
Okay, back. Ooh, those are a little bit meaty. Okay.
Just a little.
It's a little yowchy. Just smile and relax. An ultra. Okay. So now I'm going to just treat some of these itty bitty fine lines. I'm just going to kind of trail those out and soften some of those with a different product. It's called Bovella. It's a really fine filler. I really like to call it a smoother more than a filler because I feel like it doesn't add that bulk. And we don't want a lot of bulk down here. But if we just smooth some of these babies out, that's going to make her happy.
Can you point out which lines you're talking about?
Yeah, so we're going to get like these itty bitty fine lines right here without making it look bulky or thick. So this is a little bit uncomfortable because there's just lots of itty bitty sticks. So we just put tiny little bits of medicine in the, or product in the area. Smile at me. Relax. Is this the last one?
Yes.
Smile at me. Relax. Smile at me. Relax. Just a little tiny bit of lip filler for her. Okay, I want you to open just a tiny bit for me. Fill me over here. No matter how numb you get, it's still breathe, 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 breathe. Those are me. Purse like you're gonna push me. Okay, let's do the other side. That's the main one. Purse at me. Relax. Those are good. Okay, we'll put just a tiny bit in your bottom, and then we'll quit poking holes in you.
Okay.
You've had enough. I am. I'm using Juvederm Ultra right now. Just the lightest Juvederm product.
Alright.
I bet they do in there. Yes, ma'am. Yes. All right, so I'm going to do just a little bit of massage. She looks a little bit beat up today. In a couple of days, it's going to be beautiful. They're getting something to massage with. So we just augmented her lips a little bit. They're already swollen. They are going to go down some. They swell instantly. It's like when you bite your lip and it swells instantly. I just did that for about 15 times, so she's swollen. This chin will take on a little bit more fill. All of these little fine lines will take on a little bit more fluid. These fillers' job is to attract fluid to them. It takes a little bit of time for that to happen. So we don't want to over-treat her and have her puffy. So that's why you can still see a little bit. Alright, and now I'm just using some HA5 to massage it. I use this after all of my injections. It's a blend of 5 hyaluronic acids, which is what I just injected underneath her skin. So it makes sense to put it on top of the skin as well. It's my very favorite hydrator moisturizer. I use it twice a day. I'll skip some things, I don't skip this one.
Yeah.
Other than me doing crazy things to your face. Thank you so much for being my person. All right, and so her recovery will include just not working out. She looks awesome, doesn't she?
Thank you.
I'm going to ask her not to work out for a couple of days. I don't want her heart rate and blood pressure getting up. I'm going to